Want to access and control your computer from your phone? In this video, I'll show you how to install and use Chrome Remote Desktop on both your computer and Android phone. So, let's get started. First, open a web browser on your computer and search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Open the official Chrome Remote Desktop website. Now, click Remote Access, then click the Download button to install the Chrome Remote Desktop extension. After the extension is installed, the Chrome Remote Desktop host application will start downloading. Once it's downloaded, open the file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once the extension and host application have been installed, go back to your browser and open the Chrome Remote Desktop extension from the Extensions menu. Now, click the Turn On button to enable remote access for your computer. After that, enter a name for your computer and click Next. Now create a secure PIN with at least 6 digits, confirm it, and click Start to enable remote access. Next, pick up your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. Keep in mind that the Chrome Remote Desktop app is only available for Android phones. Search for Chrome Remote Desktop and install the official app. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in with the same Google account you used on your computer. Your computer will appear in the list of remote devices. Tap your computer's name, then enter the PIN you created earlier. After entering the PIN, tap Connect. You can now remotely control your computer from your phone, open files, run applications, and perform other tasks. When you're finished, tap the Disconnect button to end the remote session. And that's it.